Hey guys, Henry Dustin here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a HD stream. This is a movie web app where users can watch movies, stream movies online, whether TV shows or latest movies or old movies also, you know. So and the beautiful part of this is that is a mobile friendly and is also a responsive for desktop, tablet and also mobile phones. So and is a slick, is a slick clean movies. So everything here is actually slick. So these you can hear, bring out the latest movies and any sort of that. So if you're going to stick around and watch how I'm going